Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem today, 1513, number of substrings with only ones. So what we are looking for this problem is the number of substrings with all character of ones. First of all, since 0 doesn't matter, we can easily split this string into substrings of this. For in this case, there are gonna be two, and just one. Then for each substring, the problem turns into what's the total number of substring in this substring. Say, given a number of n, the substring of length 1 will be n. The substring of length 2 will be n minus 1 until the substring of length n is 1. This is actually a calculation of sum of first n natural integers. And the formula for this is n multiply n plus 1 divided by 2. And if we do a sum of all the substrings, that will be the result for this question. Next part, it will be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.